Hi friend, welcome back to Chim Sneaker. And so today, let's check out a super wacky sneaker from Van. And I just gotten it with a super good price. I believe it's around $20, which is quite affordable for a Van sneaker. So let's have a look. Okay, so this is the iconic badge of Vans. And here is our model. Oh my god, it looks quite funny. So funny. So I have in my hand the size 42 euro of the Van Authentic DIY. So it is quite an unusual van comparing to many vans that I had before. So with this sneaker, the main colorway is the not the yellow color, which is very bright, and I believe it's quite trendy too. So this have a black stripe to divide the upper and the midsole of the sneaker, and yeah, it basically have the Van Authentic structure with no cushioning in the collar, and very simple and easy to use form. I believe that this form of Van, whenever you already push your laces into the right places, you just can also just pull your feet in and go right away with this sneaker. You don't have to do so much, just like the Van old school. So with this model, I can show you some special bar beside the iconic feature that you can already see in a lot of Van. So firstly, it has a red stitching line here, and it attached a Van stamp directly into the body of your sneaker, and it's quite funny. It looks quite funny, right? And secondly, inside of the sneaker, like the insole and the inner fabric, it held the checkerboard pattern, which is also iconic from Vans. So from the first look, my first impression is that this sneaker is some kind of like leftover or like non-functioning sneaker, but actually it's not. It's still a very good Vans, and because of this design, which is kind of funny and ridiculous, so I think not as many people there to to challenge their fashion style to use this sneaker. So that's the reason why we can get a super good price for this sneaker. But however, I think this sneaker can go very well with a lot of different slope. But however, I still think that this sneaker can go very well with a lot of different styles of clothes. And beside that, it looks super clean and super good. Whenever you use, like from far away, it still look like a Vans. And whenever you use it, some people like who just care about the sneaker will like look closely and see, oh my god, this design is so funny. It's so like different from any other type of like safe and like regular scene van. Okay, so here is basically my impressions about the Van DIY with the yellow colorway, which is super stand out, and the design is super wacky. Hope you enjoy my content and see you in more episodes of Chim Sneaker. Bye bye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.